Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to add drop shadow to shapes in Word document. This is pretty straightforward. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes and pick the shapes of your requirement and draw the shapes like this one. Go to the shape format and click on the shape fill and change the color of your choice like black, and go to the shape outline and change the color of outline to the yellow, and then head to the shape effects and click on the shadow, and these are the sums outer shapes and these are the sums inner shapes. It's up to you which one you like it, and these are the some perspectives. You can opt to choose it. Again, go to the shape effects and click on shadows and click on the shadow option on the bottom of the screen, and on the right side you will see that a new window will pop up. Here you can select the some perspectives. Again, click the inner, select the color of your choice, for example yellow, and here you can set the angle and distance like this one and increase the distance as per your choice. You can also opt some blur effects like this one. So this way you can easily add drop shadow to our shapes and Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.